It's a structural engineering business. There's a new challenge every day. When a job gets put together and something gets built, when they go vertical, we love it. Most of our work is for architects. We're always doing something that's interesting.
What we're seeing in the market right now is a trend toward modern architecture. What comes with that is a lot of open space, a blurring of the lines between indoor and outdoor.
When the architect is trying to design something that's difficult to build, we have to think outside of the box.
But when you eliminate some of those walls, you have to replace that structure with something that will take up the wind loads or the seismic loads. And so oftentimes we have to use very expensive steel. You have to go through a very tedious process.
Simpson Strong-Tie has been one of my go-to resources since I've been a structural engineer. Wood construction doesn't lend itself to a lot of large openings. So Simpson has worked hard on solutions to create open structures. The new product they came up with, the Moment Post Base, is especially effective for trellises and outdoor structures.
Using an off-the-shelf product like this really streamlines the design process for us. It's also a much more cost-effective way of designing. When we come to our clients with big ideas and we talk about doing very open spaces, a product like this allows us to meet the budget that our clients have given us and allow the indoor and outdoor space to be blurred.